Hello everybody, Marie by Design here. I've just unboxed my machine, my Singer 4423 heavy duty machine. I did a video of this on, or a reel I should say, on Facebook. And this is my machine out of its box. There wasn't a manual with it. It came with this picture reference guide. Okay, that's page 1. Now, I can't just work with pictures. I don't know about you, but I can't just work with pictures on things. I have to also have words. So you have to go to download your manual for this machine. You have to go to manuals.singer.com and you will get a oh yeah, it came with this as well, which isn't instructions. It came with an important safety instructions, but that's about all it is. It came with a dust cover, and I didn't realise it at the time as I was doing the video. It comes with a what do you call it, a foot. Comes with a normal foot on the machine. Don't know if you can see it down there. I think that's your straight stitch foot. And then it comes with 2 other feet, needles and all these tools. But the needles are 90 over 40, I think. Just one moment. Oh, I can't get the bag open. Oh, sorry folks. Oh, I'm running out of time now. I'll do another video of this when I've got it all set up and threaded. But yeah, this is my instruction manual, 76 pages long, and that's how thick it is. I'll be back soon once I've discovered how to thread it up and everything. If you like today's video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.